Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change linked accounts in NAB app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change linked accounts in NAB app, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your NAB application, and then once you are inside there, be sure to be logged in with your NAB banking credentials. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the more icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, or probably a profile icon according to your app version. And once you're inside there, you'll find an option that says settings. And once you're inside your settings, what you need to do here is choose manage accounts option or manage linked accounts depending on your app version. And here you can show or hide your accounts. You can control which NAB accounts appear on your home screen and reorder accounts as well by simply dragging and dropping them into your preferred order. And you can also nickname accounts by simply renaming them for easy identification. You can also add or remove linked bank accounts by simply going to the internet banking section and then selecting profiles and settings, and inside manage linked accounts you'll find the option and you can add or remove there as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.